Hey, welcome back to the farm kitchen. This week I'm making something a little unexpected but totally delicious. It's a beet shakshuka. If you're not familiar, shakshuka is a North African Mediterranean traditional dish. It features peppers, tomatoes, and eggs. I'm giving it a little bit of a twist by adding in some beets. This dish is vibrant, comforting, and a great way to use those beets that you're getting in this week's veggie box. Check it out. I've got my beets and my onion chopped up. I'm going to put the beets in a pot of water to bring them to a boil, just about an inch of water above the surface of the beets. I don't want too much. Bring that to a boil, reduce to simmer until they're nice and tender. In a separate skillet pan, I'm going to saute the onion till just it starts to brown. Then I'm going to add the spice. Saute that for about a minute just to kind of wake up the spices so I can really start to build that flavor. And then I'm going to add about one cup of crushed tomatoes. Now the spice I'm working with today is a harissa spice. Typically, harissa spice is going to consist of a mix of different kinds of peppers, some garlic, some onion. It's a really warming pepper spice, not a super spicy, hot spice. It's really delicious, adds a nice complexity. Once the beets are nice and tender, I'm going to add the tomato mixture to that pot. I'm going to puree it with my immersion blender. Then I'm going to pour it all back into that large skillet. I'm going to heat that on simmer for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to make little troughs in it and drop some eggs in it. I will then cover that, let it cook for about 10-15 minutes until the whites are set but the eggs, the yolks are still nice and soft. Then we're ready to serve. Let's get back to it. Well, there we have it. This recipe really highlights the versatility of beets. Whether you're making a beet salad, roasting beets, or making beet shakshuka, it really is a vegetable worth celebrating. Let's try this. That is so good. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Well, try this recipe out, and don't forget, you can subscribe to my weekly newsletter and I'll send each week's recipe to you, or order a veggie box. So until next week, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.